Hi folks. Welcome. What is decision tree machine learning? Decision tree is a popular algorithm used in machine learning for classification and regression analysis. It is a tree-like structure in which internal nodes represent a test on a specific feature or attribute, and each branch represents the outcome of that test. The leaf nodes represent the predicted class or value based on the input features. The decision tree algorithm works by recursively splitting the data based on the most informative feature until a stopping criterion is met, such as when all data in a branch belongs to the same class or has a similar value. The goal is to create a tree that is able to generalize well to new unseen data. Decision trees can handle both categorical and continuous input features and are relatively easy to interpret and visualize, making them a popular choice in many real-world applications. However, they can also be prone to overfitting and may not perform well when the data is noisy or contains many irrelevant features. To address these issues, various extensions and ensemble methods, such as random forests and gradient boosting, have been developed based on the decision tree algorithm. Here are a few examples of how decision tree machine learning can be applied in different domains. 1. Medical diagnosis. A decision tree can be used to diagnose diseases by analyzing the symptoms of the patient. For example, a decision tree can be built to identify the type of respiratory illness based on the patient's symptoms, such as cough, fever, sore throat, etc. 2. Customer segmentation. A decision tree can be used to segment customers based on their purchase behavior or demographic information. For instance, a decision tree can be built to classify customers into different groups based on their age, income, and purchasing history. 3. Credit risk assessment. A decision tree can be used to assess the credit risk of a loan applicant by analyzing their financial data, credit score, and other relevant factors. For example, a decision tree can be built to determine whether to approve or reject a loan application based on the applicant's income, credit score, and debt-to-income ratio. For fraud detection, a decision tree can be used to detect fraudulent activities in financial transactions. For instance, a decision tree can be built to identify transactions that are likely to be fraudulent based on the transaction amount, location, and other relevant factors. 5. Predictive maintenance. A decision tree can be used to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance. For example, a decision tree can be built to predict the likelihood of a machine failure based on the historical maintenance data and other relevant factors. That's all, folks. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.